Fascinating facts about extreme weather in Antarctica. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth reached a staggering -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit at Vostok Station. This extreme cold highlights Antarctica's position as the planet's most frigid continent. Witness the mesmerizing blood falls, where iron-rich water creates a stunning red cascade. As this ancient water seeps from Taylor Glacier, it contrasts dramatically with the icy landscape. Antarctica's unique phenomena remind us of nature's incredible beauty and extremes. Subscribe for more amazing facts about our planet.